Hello, what is the best time during the week to buy stocks when it comes to swing trading? Well, it could depend on the strategy you are using. For instance, using long option on swing trading strategy, I could technically buy stocks any day, any weekday. But a lot of time when I'm purchasing stocks on Friday, I tend to cringe a little bit, asking myself is if it's not better to wait next week, the following week to do so. But naturally, I don't buy stocks on Mondays. So Mondays and Fridays, naturally, I I don't buy stocks. But I don't really think it matters when it comes to the strategy I'm using. Because when you are playing the long game, it may not matter much, but when you are playing the short game, it might matters. I When I was learning to swing trade in 2024, I pay attention to that, not buying stocks at the end of the week, because then I was buying and selling within days, or at the most a week or so, if turns it does not go the way I want it to go, if it pull back instead of going up. But when now that I'm using long option long swing trading strategy, it does not really matter, but that habit remain. So when I'm buying stocks on Fridays, I will ask myself, why am I buying stocks at the end of the week? Isn't that just better I wait until the following week to do so? But I'll place the order anyway. But I don't follow up to see if that really made any, if it would have been better to wait the following week or not. I didn't really follow up for that because I think it's just a habit that it will learning that it will just come to my mind to ask myself, is it good to buy it now or just wait the following week? But as of Monday, I'm just not available to do it. I will buy stocks Mondays, but it's not common for me to do so. But I don't really think it's anything to do with the strategy, or is having to do with swing trading itself, because I'm playing relatively a long game here. But your strategy could be different from mine, and it could affect when you purchase your stocks during the week. I noticed that somebody say when I was trying to learn swing trading and doing my research, somebody recommended now that I think he does not trade stocks in December. But last year, 2025, I traded a lot in December because of the type of stocks that I'm trading. Most of them right in December, like they reached their peak in December, and I was comfortable selling them and locking my profit. And I will assume some of them were on their low side for me to buy as well. So, but I just noticed that, yeah, I traded a lot in December, and remember that I heard somebody saying they don't trade in December. So again, the strategy will be different, the stocks you are trading will be different, and how you are trading them will be different from other people's, the way they are doing it. Therefore, you might find you might be okay trading certain times of the week, days of the week, when somebody may not feel comfortable doing it. So it's okay to just try it out and see what works for you. Today we are going to analyze the stock QCOM as of June 13. Why did I tell you about that though when you come in? Thank you. 2026. So when I'm looking at QCOM, I like to purchase it at this support line, but right now it went all the way up and it's on its way down. So I'm going to keep observing it. It's not where I want to buy it yet. I'm seeing an arrow here facing upward, an arrow here facing downward. So that means I purchased it and I sold it. So I purchased it in 2026 around 137 or so. I don't know exactly the price that I paid, but I could say it's in February, like February 4th or so. That's the daily chart, and the arrow is pointing at February 4th bar, and we can just use, you know, the highest price that day, like $139 or so, and I sold it around May 15. And let's zoom a little bit, and let's just say 213, and we say 213 minus 139, that's $74 per share. And I sold it. It went up all the way. It reached all-time highest price and started pulling back when I sold it. But guess what? It went back up again and pull back and start going up again now. So we are just going to continue observing it. And it was a good profit, so I don't really know if it's going to continue going up or if it's going to pull back. And usually from the valley line reaching all-time highest price the same year within months is not common, but again it did a year as well. Not quite a year, 12 months, it reached all-time highest price and then pull back. So for that reason, and when it pulled back, it went like this, but it didn't surpass this peak and then pull back. So it's like from here going to now. So therefore, I don't know if it's pretty much done and will pull back down or not. So I just sold it to lock in that profit. But it continued going up again. So I'm just going to continue observing it and until it comes down here before I can buy it again, and I can then determine if it was a good sell here or if I should just have kept it longer. And that was my first time trading the swing trading the stock. So thank you so much for watching. What about you? What is the best time during the week that you swing trade your stocks? We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for your time. We thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could be a way to generate another stream of income. You just start small and slowly grow your account from there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional swing trader, stocks trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, and I like to share what I'm learning and what is working for me here with you. And if you find something useful, you can improve on it and use it in your own financial success journey. So will you please use our information with caution. For more videos in this series, will you please check our playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Option Loans in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store Liberman.com. If you are looking for tote bag, pouches, or cloth napkins, will you please check our online store Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.